Hey everybody, it's Jared and Trent with Big Pine Sports. We're excited about the all-new MOONBIKE. We have not seen one of these in person yet. We're going to unbox it right now and see what they look like right off the truck. Here we go. So, it's looking pretty complete. What do we got? Assembly instructions, those might be important.
Battery charger.
Foot pegs. Those things are legit. Check that out. That's going to give you some good grip there for sure. Ooh, keys to the kingdom right there. We got MOONBIKE safety components, MOONBIKE maintenance quick reference chart, MOONBIKE front ski, nice little damper there, got a skag on there, very nice. Let's see. Battery. Let's open that up. It's looking like it's pretty assembled at this point, but oh yeah, pull that out. We'll definitely get one of these opened up and charged right away. What's that weigh?
Oh, you're probably 30 pounds.
30 pounds or so. Alright, so it looks like we're pretty well assembled. We got a couple straps to pull off. We're going to get this one done. We have several different colors. We'll get those all put together. And we're going to get out and ride them. We're going to post up a whole bunch of review videos. We're going to go out and compare it to other electric snow vehicles. If you've been paying attention, we do have the Sur-On with the Track and Go kit on it. We've been out ripping that around town. We haven't had it up on the mountain yet, but I think it's time, Trent, to get up on the hill and go find some really deep powder and see how these things do. So 435-427-3338. You can check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. We do have a ton of these that we got delivered today. If you'd like to make one yours, give us a call or come on by. Have a great day, everybody.
See ya.